You can use the Rotate tool to rotate one or more selected objects around an axis. When you rotate objects in a 2D view, the object rotates about an axis perpendicular to the view. When rotating objects in a 3D view, the axis is perpendicular to the work plane of the view. Not all objects can be rotated around any axis, however. When you select an object, notice that Revit displays a contextual ribbon for modifying that type of element. I will select the air handling unit. The contextual ribbon includes a Modify panel. If I click the Rotate tool, a circular grip appears at the center of the selected object. This symbol indicates the point about which the selected object will be rotated. If I want to rotate the object about a different point, I can drag the center rotation symbol to a different location. I'll move the center of rotation to the upper left corner of the bounding box. There's also a center of rotation tool on the options bar. If I click the default button, the center of rotation returns to its original location. If I click the Place button, I can simply click to position the center of rotation. Also, if I press the space bar, I can click to position the center of rotation. I don't need to drag the symbol. I'll click to position it in the upper right corner of the air handling unit. Once I've got the center of rotation positioned where I want, I see a line. This is the first ray of rotation. I can click to set the first ray of rotation and then move the cursor in either direction. Notice that I can see a listening dimension. Now, I can simply move the cursor to specify the angle to which I want to rotate the object, and click to complete the rotation. Or, I can type in an angle value to rotate the object by a precise angle, and then press Enter to complete the rotation. I'll click Undo, and then select the air handling unit and click the Rotate tool again. Then I'll place the center of rotation in the upper right corner of the air handling unit. Realize that the options bar displays several additional controls. You can use these options to control how you rotate the object. For example, if you select the Disjoin checkbox, Revit will break the association between the selected object and any other objects before rotating the object. This option is useful, for example, when you want to rotate an air handling unit that has ductwork connected, as in this case. If you select the Copy checkbox, Revit actually makes a copy of the selected object. The original object remains in its original location, and a copy is rotated. You can also type a specific rotation angle in the Angle field, in which case you don't have to specify a starting and ending angle. Positive angle values rotate in a counterclockwise direction. I'll select the Copy checkbox, enter an angle value of -90 degrees, and then press Enter. As you can see, I've actually made a copy of the air handling unit and rotated that copy. When rotating objects, you don't even need to select the Copy checkbox. I'll start the Rotate tool again, locate the center of rotation to the lower left corner of the bounding box, and then press the Control key while rotating the object. Notice that Revit makes a copy of the selected object and rotates the copy.